We'll guide you through what to do when a Samsung Galaxy phone won't turn on or charge. This can be a really frustrating and worrying problem because you're unable to go and use your phone, make calls, access your data, use apps, etc. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to try fixing this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of the video which will lead to the problem being solved. So let's go and get started. So first of all, you just want to come and find the power button. Usually you're going to find that on the right side just here, but go and look if you're struggling to go and find it. Now what you want to do is go and tap and hold this down. Tap and hold it down, and within around 15 seconds or so, you should go and see the logo go and appear on the screen, and it'll go and start booting. And when you do, you can go and release. Now, if you find that it doesn't go and appear, don't worry. What you can try doing is just going and releasing, and we can go and try the next fix. So what you want to do is go and grab the phone's cable, go and plug it in, and you want to go and get it. Let it charge just for a minute or two, just leave it plugged in like this, and we can then go and try the next fix. So what you can try doing is coming on to the side of the phone, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go and hold down the side button just here and the volume decrease. So that's the lower one. Tap and hold these down together like so. Now you should just go and hold these down. It should be around 15 seconds, similar to the side button. Keep them held down. And shortly, you should hopefully go and see the boot, as you can see. And when you do, you can then go and release, and you can go and have the cable unplugged. You don't need it anymore. So now you can go and wait, and it should go and start. Now, if you're still finding that it's not doing anything when you do that combination, instead of holding down the volume down and the side button, do the side button, but also hold the volume increase. You don't hold the volume decrease at that point. So just hold the volume up and the side button together and keep them held down similarly to as we did before, 15 seconds, and hopefully it'll go and then boot, and you can release when you see the logo. Now, if you're still finding that it's not working, you can try repeating it with it being completely unplugged in case that's the problem. And then hopefully it'll go and come on, and shortly it's going to go and be ready, and the problem will be resolved, and we're going to be able to go and use it and go and access our data again. As you can see, it's now just loading. Just be patient. And shortly I can go and swipe up. I can go and enter in my PIN, and I'm then going to go and be able to go and use it. If you found this useful and it solved your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We publish guides like this every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you again. Have a great day, and I'll catch you again soon.